I really just can't believe I did this though. Like, okay. So hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, you guys, how do we like my hair? How do we like my hair? Get into what? Like, hi! I like it. First of all, I love it. This wig actually I had a long time ago, and I decided again to just see. I really wanted to practice my plucking because we know what happened on my last video. If you don't know what happened, stop watching this video. Go subscribe to my channel down there and go watch all my videos, because then you'll just be caught up. Nobody doesn't want to be caught up. But anyways, yeah. So I wanted to practice my plucking, and this wig was already messed up. I might insert pictures of when I first got it, because how I wore it, it was so ghetto, y'all. I didn't really know just as many little tips and tricks as I do now. But anyway, so this video is me just being at home. It started off as a vlog style. It's just me going through the motions of how I always do my wigs. I'm so glad. I love how it came out. But yeah, so this is it. Enjoy me doing what I do. This is the wig that I'm tackling today. I'm going to give her a complete makeover. Just see what we can even do with it. Just see something, how this comes out, because she's crazy. And I might insert some pictures of how I wore it, but it's so embarrassing and just I might not, I don't know. But so yeah, excuse me, you already know what's going on. It's fine, we're not gonna worry about my face. But I just bought like this tripod and this headstand, and this head. I literally just bought it. I just came, so that's why I'm making this video, because this was my excuse and now I can't use it no more. Oh shit. So hello everybody, I'm gonna be pretty much just telling y'all what I was doing, what you guys see. So I'm getting ready to, well, let's just start from the beginning. Actually, this wig is a wig I got a year ago, and I wore it one time. So stupid, so ugly. I was just rushing thirsty to wear it, and now I'm taking it back out and I'm trying to, you know, see what I could really do with it. But so it's already been cut, you know, and all that stuff, and I tried to wear it, so I had glue on it. So that was just me cleaning it off with some alcohol. And now I am pushing all the hair back because I believe I'm getting ready to bleach it. So bleach the knots. So we don't want no bleached hair. It's already bleached. It's already blonde. We don't need all of that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to mix some BW2 with some 20 volume developer. And I let that sit for 15 minutes. And then I came and looked at it, and I just, you know, eyeballed it to see if I wanted to sit a little more. So and as I'm sure you all know, you want the consistency to just be thick. Just make sure it doesn't seep through the lace, because you don't want it to dye the hair. So like a cream consistency, okay? Just not water. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this, but so I started plucking from here down, but this is where the hairline starts. So I'm just showing you what it looks like before. I started here down. So yeah, I really gotta focus and concentrate. So I turned on my little show, and I will get back to you, okay? Because y'all know what happened last time. After I bleached those knots, by the way, I washed the wig out with just the regular shimmer lights, and then I came and blow dried the hair. And now I'm about to glue and style the wig.
I'm just putting down 2 layers of glue. Just make sure that the glue dries before you make, oh my gosh. Just make sure the glue is dry before you do anything. Like, I'm only doing 2 layers, but let the first one dry and clear, and then let the second one dry, clear, and then proceed, okay? After I glued down my wig, I just have to make my hairline basically, so my baby hairs and all that fun stuff. So I'm cutting my ear tabs, and then I tie down my baby hairs before I cut them with an elastic band. The elastic band is your best friend, okay? So I did that for about, I don't know, 20 minutes, but I start styling my hair. So I'll just let you watch, but that's what I do.
This is gonna be cute. This is about to be, alright, watch me, okay?
So while I was letting that band do its thing, I went and put on makeup or whatever and continued styling my hair. So now I'm about to do the baby hairs, and when I tell y'all, the baby hairs took me so long. They already take me a long time, but they just took me so long trying to get it together here because the color and then the scalp and the lace, and it took me a long time. So that's why it just took me a long time, but I'm not gonna put it all in here because I literally just swoop them and comb them and just figure it out. I eyeball it, so it's no procedure, but they took me so long. Like, I don't even want to watch this part because I'm over it.
Okay. I really like this wig, y'all. I just really like this wig. I will never take it off. You have to take it off, but eventually. Okay, you guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I know it just came together so crazy, like. But yeah, let me know what color y'all want to see me in next. I got some hot surprises, but yeah, so we growing, more videos are coming. I'm trying to stay, well, I am staying consistent, and we just on this journey. Okay, learn with me, watch with me, slay with me, y'all. But yeah, I think that's it. I think that's everything. Did y'all see my hair? Oh yeah, I'm blonde, so